To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Breath, breathe. In this video, we will learn the difference between these two words. Breath. Breath is a noun. It refers to the air that goes into and out of the lungs. For example, a side effect of the tablets was shortness of breath. I ran out of breath after running. Breathe. Breathe is a verb. It refers to the process of inhaling and exhaling air. For example, breathe in slowly through your nose. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide.